Hi, this video is going to teach you how to make fire and smoke in Roblox. It's really easy. So I've created a new part here by going to Model and then Part. And then over here we have a menu that's Effects. So we'll click on this and look at that, Fire. And you'll notice what happens when you look over at the part. I'm going to call this part the burnable. Oops. I'm going to rename this part burnable. And so we've got some fire, and then you can look at the properties for the fire, and you can say, ooh, that fire, let's make it, instead of 5, we'll make it 1,000. See what happens, 10,000. So 30 is the max you can do for fire. Yeah, and smoke is the same, is very similar. So I'm going to do Command Z to undo that. And then, let's see, we'll throw some smoke in. You can either go to the effects menu, or you can just click over here and say add, and then start typing smoke. Got some smoke. All right, let's look at the smoke properties. Opacity, size, where's the color? Let's make it orange. Some creepy orange smoke. So there you go. That's how you make fire and smoke.